Hey Mary, this is Eddie. Just got done meeting Multi-Man Services about the gutter cleaning here on this property. As you can see, we use video to more effectively communicate with our customers. You're busy. All of your other maintenance decision makers on this building are busy as well. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of briefly talk to you about what we would suggest, what we notice for long-term best maintenance practices. A lot of your gutters and downspouts have a lot of debris that's sitting directly over like an outlet. So we have these downspout filters. They're called gutter sticks. They sit in your gutter. They allow for all the water to flow to the downspout, but no debris or things that could clog your underground drains will go down in there. So super simple, like $20 installation of a service to make sure that all that downspout flow stays clogged free long term when it goes underground. That's suggestion number one. Suggestion number two is for us to obviously get all the debris off the roof, out of the gutters. There is some moss and lichen developing under this tree that we have on one side. Check out the photos that we left you and the report on the property maintenance. So once we get that moss and lichen off the roof, your shingles should perform better. As far as shingle performance, if you look at some of the other photos about the degranulation of the shingles, it's a sign that your shingles are starting to dry out. So when you see granulars shedding off the roof, you want to make sure that you're proactive in applying conditioning oils within the shingle. They don't make shingles nowadays the way they used to. If I take you to another part of the property here, you'll see that the shingles are starting to fall off the roof. So this would be the area that's completely clogged and compact, mainly because of this tree here. And so once we get that debris removed, obviously clean it up, make sure that the downspouts and gutters are properly flowing. I'm sure you're aware of this siding that's starting to separate from the home here. Really nice aluminum siding. So maybe have somebody look into repairing that or getting it replaced before it comes to be a bigger problem. But I'll bring you over here to a shingle that's starting to come off. This flat roof here, where all the downspouts and gutters are, we need to get those properly power flushed because there's a lot of debris on top of the roof. But these shingles here are starting to delaminate. The seal tabs under each shingle are drying out. And so it's going to continue to keep happening. So it's not a complete loss. It's not time to replace the roof. We can make the repairs. These shingles are going to last a long time if they're properly maintained. So we got a stack of shingles that are starting to separate themselves, and so here's kind of an example behind me of what's going on. And so we can make these repairs, make it look like new again, and then go ahead and apply a conditioning treatment to the perimeter of the building here and get all these shingles happy. Get those seal tabs rehydrated so they stay glued down, prevent any future shingle problems down the road. So if that's something of interest to you, besides the gutter cleaning that we're going to be out here for, let me know, and we'll compile a bid for you to get that taken care of. Even in here you can kind of see, oh, I can't zoom, flip the camera around here. Here's kind of a delicate area as well. So wanted you to be fully aware. Either way, look forward to helping you long-term, getting your gutters clean. Thanks for considering us. And feel free to call me on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Call or text with any questions, and we'll iron out the best game plan for you. Take care.